Dear students, I welcome you to English second paper class. In the last class, we talked about articles and we learned what is article and what is indefinite article and definite article. It is our second class and today we will learn more about definite article. Definite article is that article which specify person, animal or object, and in English the is called definite article. So we will see or we will learn where and how we can use definite article. Number one, when we want to specify a singular or plural common noun, we have to use definite article, that is the. The is definite article. So at first we will use the to specify a singular or plural common noun. Here there are two examples. If you notice it, you will learn more about it. The boy is industrious. Here the boy is a particular boy or a special boy, and it is specified here. Similarly, the students of this class are present. Here we see that the students of a particular class, of a special class, and not the whole student or not a particular students of this class are present. So it is here particularized or specialized. Number two, before unique object. What is unique object? Which has no partner, which is only one in the universe. For example, the sun. The sun is only one in the, there is only one sun in the world, in the universe, sorry, in the world, universe. Similarly, there is only one sky. It has no partner, it has no share. So which is unique must have the before that. So the sun, the sky, the moon, these are the examples of unique object, and all these unique objects will take the before them. Number three, before the name of sea, ocean, mountain, island, river, lake, etc. When we will write the name of a sea or an ocean or mountain or island or river or lake, we will use the. But we should keep in mind, in case of mountain and island, this is very important. You notice, if there is only one mountain or if there is only one island, it will never take definite article, that is the. Here, in case of mountain and island, it must be a group, it must be plural, it must be a cluster. A single island or a single mountain cannot take the. We cannot say the Hatia, or we cannot say the Shandip, we cannot say the Mount Everest, because all these are singular. Then what we will say? We will say Hatia, or we will say Sandip, or we will say Mount Everest. But if it is sea, the Bay of Bengal, ocean, the Pacific, river, the Jamuna, the Himalayas, it is plural. Then it will take the Parvat Shreni and Dippunjo. You should keep in mind, when in Bengali we will say Dippunjo or Parvat Shreni, then it will take the. Then it will take the. But if it is in singular form, Hatia, Sandip or Mount Everest, it will not take the. So you should notice these things very carefully and attentively. Then before the name of famous ship, train, zoo, building, hotel, etc. Dear student, you should notice, if we write the name of a ship or a train or zoo or building or hotel, etc., then etc., then it will take the. For example, the Titanic, the Taj Mahal, all these are examples of famous ship and famous building. Then we can also say the Mahanagar Express or the Sheraton Hotel, etc. So what we learn from here? When we will use the name of a famous ship, train, zoo, building, hotel, etc., then we must use the before these things and objects. Number 5, before historical and famous incident. There are many historical and famous incidents in the world all around us. When we will mention these historical and famous incidents, then we will have to use definite article the before those incidents. We have example here, the Second World War. Second World War is a famous or historical incident in the history of the world. Similarly, the Battle of Pulaski. The Battle of Pulaski, another important incident in the history of our life. So in both cases, we will have to use the. Besides, there are so many historical incidents. We can say the Liberation War, the language movement, the French Revolution. All these belong to this group, and when we will write these things, these incidents, we will have to use the before them. Next, we see before a caste, community, nation, etc. Here we have some examples: the Muslims, the Bangladeshi, the rich. So when we will mention the name of a caste or community or a nation, then we will have to use the before them. The Bangladeshi, we are a nation. The Bangladeshi is a nation. So when we will write Bangladeshi or Indian or Pakistani, then we will have to use definite article the before them. Similarly, we have a religious group here. Muslims belong to a particular religion. So when we will write Muslims or Hindus or Christian, then we will have to write definite article the before them. Similarly, here is an exceptional example. Rich is an adjective, but when an adjective expresses the whole class, then we will have to use the before that adjective. Then it will indicate the whole race, not a single race. Similarly, we can say the poor, the educated, the uneducated, the weak. All these are adjective, but when we will use the before them, then they will indicate the whole race or the whole poor or the whole educated or the whole weak. Next, we see before religious book, newspaper, epic, etc. So when we will use the name of religious book or epic or newspaper, then we will have to use the before them. So when we will write Quran, Holy Quran, of course we will have to use the before it. Similarly, if we write Bible, then we will have to use the before that Bible. Similarly, newspaper, when we will write the name of Bangladesh Observer, then we will have to use the before that. Then Lok Samaj, Janakantha, whatever it be, we will have to use the before that newspaper. Then epic. Epic is a kind of large and big book. In Bangla, there is an epic, the Meghnad Badh. So when we will write the Meghnad Badh, then we will have to write the before that epic. Next, before a whole class. Here we will have to notice God has created so many creations or creatures in this world. When we will write the name of those creation, then we will have to use the before that creations. For example, the cow. The cow means not a single cow or a particular cow, rather it means the whole cow. It means the whole creation. What is that creation? The cow. Similarly, the lion, the dog, the tiger. When I will write or I will say the lion, it means not a particular lion or a single lion. Rather, it will indicate the lion as a whole. And finally, before date. When we will write some date, then we will have to use definite article the before that date. For example, the 16th month or the 16th December or whatever the date may be, when we will write some date, we will have to use definite article the before that date. So, dear students, it is not all. You will have to practice all these things in the classroom or in your house, but it is a matter of sorrow that we are now out of classroom. It is your duty to practice it more and more in the class. Only then what the government has taken, the program that government has taken will be fulfilled and our this labor will come to true. That is all from today's class. We will see you in next class. Thank you.